Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Nissan Navara dual cab STX Ute, stock reference number 3925. This shape runs from the 9th month 2005 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a VQ40 4 Litre V6 petrol engine, backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. VQ40 4 Litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left chrome power door mirror. Left front door has a light fold on the front edge. Left hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Left rear door has one small dent and a small crease. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. It's got a tidy chrome bumper. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Left neck. Tailgate's got a few small dents and some light rust bubbles coming through the paint. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has a couple small dents. Right guard has one small dent. Right hand chrome power door mirror, non-indicator type. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with dark grey cloth interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.